Hi there, Dave Ball from BetaView here. We're at the Sydney Home Show. We've got a new product that we're really excited about, so I thought I'd take the opportunity to show you. This is the Gas Strut Servery Window. So previously we'd be able to offer you a bifold window or maybe a sliding servery window. This is brand new on the market and ticks a couple of extra boxes, so I'd like to take the chance to show you. We've got the window in its closed position at the moment. As you can see, it looks just like a fixed window at the moment. All we've got is this perimeter bit of aluminium. And the rest is clear glass. But the exciting part, I'll show you if we go inside. So, we have a couple of latches at the bottom here. I've opened those already, so with a small push, that window opens all the way to 90 degrees. The benefit of this window over a traditional bifold window, when it's in the closed position, all we've got is the outside perimeter. If this was the bifold window, maybe we'd have 3 panels, which means we'd actually have 4 aluminium stars in the middle where the panels join. The other thing about this window is that you see with this version we have no sill. If this was a bifold window, we actually have a groove here for one of the bottom rollers to run in, so it's another benefit. As with the bifold, this can be screened. We can put a retractable screen that either pulls down or pulls across the screen. So. Great product for a kitchen or an area where you want to serve food through. So if you're interested, get in touch. Thanks.